Here's how I make my blanket stitch. So I've already marked at 1/4 of an inch. So you see the pink line is the 1/4 of an inch, and I've also managed to figure out where the corners are based on the 1/4 of a seam here and there. So it's giving me the space I want for the first stitch to go. So it's really simple to do the blanket stitch. So I'm going vertical here, and I am going to come out here at 1/4 of a seam where I've marked it here, and I make sure that my thread is behind the needle. And here we go. Just pull slightly, not too tight, you got to give it some space, and that's the first blanket stitch. And then you're going to go 1/4 of an inch forward and continue your blanket stitch. And at this point, you really want to even out. You want it to have it at 1/4 of an inch all the time, but you have to keep in mind where is that last needle that you want to go through here. So I'm going to move this back a little bit to the left because I want to give an even space between this stitch and the next one. Here we go. Always leaving the thread behind. And then going to make your corner, you can simply go here, get the needle in that corner here, and then come out at the edge of the corner there. And to make sure that my stitches don't move in the corner, because they can remember that I am a beginner. Don't want this to be too tight, so I can loosen it up like that. But to make sure that it sticks there, I actually just go down one more to secure that thread so that it won't move either left or right, and it stays exactly where I want it to stay.